Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and we are excited to invite you to our first online course called Embroidery Essentials. There's links below this YouTube video where you can read all about it and see everything that you're going to learn. But if you want to master your embroidery machine through 15 different embroidery techniques, you want to join us. We have made this course fairly generic, so what works is that you have the repetition of doing something over and over and over. I've taught this course at our store, Heirloom Creations in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, to hundreds of students, and everybody said that they have learned so much about their embroidery machine that we decided to turn it into an online course. So we'd love to have you join us. You will have access to 12 lessons to work through everything from applique and trapunto, cut work, and landscape designs, how to quilt with your embroidery machine. It's 3.5 hours of just the basic lesson plans. These designs are all included with your course. You'll have online support plus our private Facebook group that you'll be able to join in and post your own pictures as you complete your Embroidery Essentials journey yourself, and ask other students how they're doing and see what they are making. So we'd love to have you come along. If you do sign up now, you do get access to 10 additional bonus lessons that I have created just for this class of over 90 minutes more of lessons. So hop on over to embroidery-essentials.com and get signed up. If you've got questions, drop us an email and we'd be happy to answer them. If you own an extraneous embroidery machine, we are used to all different brands. Just ask your question and we will respond and get you going if you get stuck along the way. So thank you for joining us. Thank you to everyone who has already signed up. I will see you in class.